So I just got a 2023 M4 Competition, and you will not believe how much money this thing is costing me. I don't yet have the crackhead energy to walk through all the finances, so let's go get a Starbucks and we'll talk about the numbers. Now that I'm a BMW owner, I don't have to use my turn signal. Watch this, guys. No turn signal. That felt so wrong. I don't think I can do it. Also, if you guys want a really good driving song, this is it. Getaway Car, Taylor Swift. It doesn't get better than this. Like, if you just need a hype song, it's literally a song about like driving it like you stole it. Like, it's a getaway car. So we're at this railroad track intersection, and it's literally my favorite intersection because you can tell like who has common sense and who doesn't. There's literally people that will stop on these railroad tracks right here, like right in front. I'm gonna go across because there's enough space, but it's just like, it's just crazy how people like don't know that you shouldn't do that. And every time I see a car stopped on the tracks, I just like, my heart just stops, hoping that there's no train coming. Oh, I'm using my turn signal again.
What can I start up for you?
Hi, I actually have a mobile order for SAI, S-A-I.
Gotcha, go ahead and fill it around.
Okay, thanks. You know, there's like two types of people that'll like rehearse in their head what they have to say. That's me. And then there's people that'll just like pick up the phone and just like say what they want to say. Thank you. Oh my god, do you guys want to know what the most frustrating thing is? This car doesn't have seatbelt extenders. Did you guys see me like reach back for my seatbelts? That's because I don't know if it's COVID shortages or just, there's actually a couple other things missing that I've noticed, but seatbelt extenders is like pretty bad because look at that. Let me show you guys what I got before I taste it. So this drink, because of all the different instructions to make it, is only $4. It said Doppio Espresso, Blonde Espresso, 3 pumps white mocha, soy milk, and oat milk. I kind of got tired of paying like $7 or $8 for my iced coffee, and I saw this hack on TikTok and I was like, this is it. So before we get into the financing of this car, I want to tell you guys about what a good deal I got on this car. I actually got about 10 grand off MSRP. It's a 2023 M4 Competition. So that's actually really crazy. I want to start by showing you guys the window sticker, which is in this cute little M pouch. So the first thing you see when you pull out the window sticker is the fact that you spend $7,250 more over 5 years on gas for this car compared to the average car. So I didn't even include that in my calculation I did earlier. So it's actually gonna be a little bit higher than the numbers I'm telling you. The base price of this car, it is an xDrive, so it's $82,700. And it has the driving assistance pro package, the parking assistance package, and the executive package, which are $1,700, $700, and $1,550 respectively. It also has the carbon fiber trim, which is $950, the M carbon exterior package, which is $4,700. Totally, it comes out to $95,445, including almost $1,000 in destination charge. Actually though, I ended up getting this car for $89,000, so an entire $6 grand off what you see on this sticker price. Plus, I didn't have to pay the gas guzzler charge or tax. They have to pay in a lot of states. I know in California, it's like an additional like $1,000. So the reason I was able to get this car that's worth $95,000, $96,000 for only $89,000 with no wait time of 8 or 9 months that it takes to spec a new M4 is because it was pre-owned for 3 months right before I got it. It came from Germany in January. Someone took delivery of this car put like 3,000 miles on it, and then the dealership told me they traded it in for an M5. I happened to go into the dealership right as this rolled off the truck and test drive it, and we kind of got ahead to get this car. And really quickly, I forgot to say while I was filming it how hot the car market still is. Like, it's crazy that it's been like 2-3 years since the supply chain shortages, and the car market is still just absolutely crazy. I'm just looking at some of the comps for my car now, and there's cars with higher mileage, not certified pre-owned, not xDrive, selling at or above my car's value. So it's all just so crazy. And it gets better. This car was also CPO'd, which means that I get another additional 1-year unlimited miles warranty on this car. So this car is gonna be under warranty until 2028, which is just insane for a performance car. So I'm really happy with this car, and I see myself keeping it for a really, really long time for that reason. But wait, there's more. Because this is a 2023 model, the maintenance of this car, which is 3 years, 36,000 miles, actually transfers between owners. So I basically also got 3 years of free maintenance on this car. This car is just a car that keeps on giving. As you guys know, maintenance for a performance car isn't cheap at all. Like, there's several different oil changes, and it's actually recommended that you do the oil changes more often than 10,000 miles. For this car, we'll probably do it every 5,000 miles. There's brake fluid flushes, differential oil changes, just a whole bunch of stuff that easily adds up to another like 2 to 3 grand over 3 years at the low end, I would say. So that's actually another really good value with the car. And before you ask, the previous owner did do the 1,200 mile oil change. So this car was taken really good care of even before I got it, which makes me really happy. And now it's time for the juiciest part of this conversation. The money. I did finance this car for good reason. I think the finance rate, I bought it on the 1st of June, so I did get the May rate. It was around 6.5%, which is pretty high, like historically speaking, but given that like CDs are paying out like 5% or more now, I figured just put my money in a CD and just finance the car. So effectively my interest rate is around 1.5%. Also keep in mind, used cars do typically have higher financing rates than brand new cars. So if I did buy this car brand new, I probably would have gotten 5.8, 5.9, which is even better, but it's a trade-off I had to make. And as I just told you guys, I did get my money's worth already buying this car used. And with the brand new car, I would have had to wait easily another 9 months to get it. So this car was just sitting there on the lot calling my name, and I told you guys in my delivery video, as soon as I saw it, I was like, I have to have this one. Okay, so the scary payment number that hurts my soul deep inside. So this car, over 60 months, every month, it costs me $1,768 for just the payment alone. So that's not including insurance, which is another $200 a month, gas, etc., etc. And that's a lot of money to be paying for a car. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I also want to mention this payment is with basically no money down. We paid exactly $3,500, and they did take most of that on credit card. So, and that number was to cover the taxes and the dealer fees up front. Our intention is to pay down this car as quickly as possible, because if we did keep this loan through the 5 years, that would be an additional $16,000, a little more than $16,000 in interest, which is a lot of interest to pay. My goal is to just pay it off through the first couple months maybe. So final question, is it worth it? It's a lot of money. Like, obviously an M4 is a nice car, but is it worth the price tag? And the answer is yes. I was joking with my husband that I would have given a kidney to have this car after I fell in love with it. Like, I didn't know how much I would love this car, and then after I wanted it, like, I would sell my left kidney to have this car. I'm just so happy, and I love it so much. And for us, it's a comfortable payment, so we're very, very happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed the transparency in this video behind the numbers and kind of what I did financing wise with this car. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.